Monday's precise and important news. Over 17 billion Afghanis revenue collected in the past year by the Ministry of Mines. Spokesperson of the Ministry of Mines and Petroleum Mufti Humayun Afghan says, last year the Ministry of Mines and Petroleum collected 17,487,439,050 Afghanis in revenue. Now all decisions are made based on the interests of Afghanistan and Islam. Acting Foreign Affairs Minister Maulavi Amir Khan Muttaqi said in an interview that the difference between the previous occupied government and the current Islamic government is that previously decisions were made based on the interests of foreigners in Afghanistan, but now decisions are made based on the interests of Afghanistan and Islam, and they are not influenced by anyone. Reforms in Pay Scale Salaries Commission meeting held. The organizational structure of public offices and employees' payments were discussed in a meeting chaired by the Deputy PM Mullah Abdul Salam Hanafi. In this meeting, Defense Ministry was instructed to take action for the appointment of the Islamic Emirates members who remain unemployed. Over 91 million Afghanis revenue collected by Daikundi Mustafiyat. Daikundi's Mustafiyat says that in the year 1401, more than 91 million and 843,000 Afghanis were collected and deposited into the government treasury. There is no village in the country that is not under the control of Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan. During an interview with the RTA Pashto, the Islamic Emirate spokesman said that last year there were rebels in some provinces and districts of Afghanistan who were resisting against the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan, but now there is no village in the country under the control of the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan to resist.